Maybe like most of them know about it, and I want everyone to know about this, and you can be the next victim on this. Hi people, today I'm not here to do any kind of vlog, to shoot anything like vlog or anything, but I am here to give an awareness regarding the fraud activities, whatever is happening in these past days, where one of my dearest friend was a victim that as well. So I know it personally, whatever happened, how it happened, and you can be the next person as a victim. So please go ahead and watch the full video to understand how it works and what happened. One of my friend had uploaded an ad in OLX to sell some of the instrument. So after 2-3 hours of uploading the ad, there was a reply from a customer stating that he would buy it with this and this amount, whatever it is quoted, and he asked for phone number, location, and then he insisted of making a payment of advance payment. So she told okay, and the UPI was most preferred one. So the person told कि I'll send a QR code, and do one thing first. You send only 1 rupee, and let us check if the merchant transaction will happen or not. The person had told it will be a merchant transaction. Please remember that merchant transaction is nothing but it's a fraud. And yeah, the person sent a QR code, and she actually sent 1 rupee, and there was a reversal back of amount of 1 rupee twice, which as he has claimed that it will be reversed. And then next he asked her to pay the particular amount which he wanted as an advance, so that I or the person pay that, they will pay it back, like double it and pay it back. So that is how it happened, and he went on sending the QR codes, and the person went on sending on the QR code. I know it's very stupid to do that. Please don't do it until and unless you ask someone who know about it. This is a complete fraud, whatever is happening. Don't scan anything. Don't give any OTPs and nothing. Your money is yours. Like, don't even think of giving it to someone who is some unknown person, or who is asking for you to pay this and this amount in the QR code. So that thing happened, and then the person insisted paying like again and again some amount of money, and this lady went on paying, thinking that she will get it back in a reversed form. But at the end, the person insisted paying again a huge amount, which then she realized that it's a fraud and it already happened, and I don't know if she is able to get it back, the money. So the most important thing is, whenever you guys are selling anything or buying anything from anywhere, it can be Instagram, it can be OLX, it can be Facebook, it can be anything, please don't send anything until and unless you know it is safe, until and unless you know that person is trustworthy. Even though if the person is unknown person, please never do that. So my dearest friend lost a huge amount of money, and she is going back and forth to station, to banks, and they are just assuring it, if the money is on hold, you will get it, but not like you will get it. It's just that there is a chances of getting it back. So I request everyone to be careful. This is some like very easy scamming type. It's a very easy scamming type, I know it, but yeah, it happened. I just wanted to give the awareness to everyone, because I know how it feels. I myself went with her for each and every procedures, whatever is happening. I went with her for everything, and I know how much it pains, and I know how much it pains when it's your own hard worked money. So I hope everyone listens to this. I know this is a small awareness video. If you guys watch this, please send it to all of your friends, families, colleagues. Once again, I'm saying please send it and make them aware that this and this is happening at this moment. So I hope everyone understood like how this works. Nobody is going to send anything or anything to anyone scanning any scanner codes or OTPs or anything. I just went with one of my the friend to the station, and this the police has also some other fraudulent activities which come into their consideration recently in a week or two. So I will attach the audio from the police who has actually given an awareness regarding that as well. Please do listen to this and make sure you understand it and be careful. You have to be responsible for your own money. Don't ever do this mistake on any basis. Don't trust anything blindly. Make sure you do it in a right way, not anything which is out of the box. Please, I request everyone to share this immediately whenever you get this video. Thank you.
ಇತ್ತೀಚಿನ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈಬರ್ ಕ್ರೈಮಿಂದ ತುಂಬ ಹಣ ಕಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ಗಳು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಸಾರ್ವಜನಿಕರು ತುಂಬ ಜಾಗ್ರತೆ ವಹಿಸಬೇಕು. ಅವರು HP, ಅಮೆಜಾನು, ಸ್ವಿಗ್ಗಿ ಅದು ಇದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸಾರ್ವಜನಿಕರಿಗೆ ಕರೆ ಮಾಡಿ ನಂಬಿಸಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ನೀವು 5,000 ಹಾಕಿ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು 10,000 ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಪುನಃ ಆಸೆ ಹುಟ್ಟಿಸಿ ತುಂಬ ಹಣ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಯಾವುದೇ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾಮು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾರ್ವಜನಿಕರು ಹಣವನ್ನು ಹಾಕಬಾರ್ದು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದು ಕೊಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಕೊಟ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಖಾತೆಯಿಂದ ಹಣ ಕಡಿತವಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಯಾವುದೇ ಅವರ ಖಾತೆದ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದೂ ಸಹ ಸಿಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಹ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಹಣವನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ತುಂಬ ಜಾಗ್ರತೆ ವಹಿಸಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹಣ ಹೋಗೋದಾಗೆ ನೀವು ಜಾಗ್ರತೆ ವಹಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏನೇ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಶಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಅದು ಇದು ಅಂತಿದ್ರೂ ಸಹ ಅದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಮತ್ತು ಬೇರೆ ಉಳಿದ ಹಾಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸನ್ನು ಯಾವುದೂ ಸಹ ಕೊಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಕೊಟ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅವ್ರು ಹ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಹಣ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾರೆ.